Turning Point 5 includes new competition features that turn polling into a real-time competition. We will review how the competition feature works. The feature is set up for team assignments. So the first thing you want to do is organize your class into teams. Once you have your class in teams, you need a way to let Turning Point know who is on that team. How to add a team assignment slide. In PowerPoint Polling, select the Compete button on the ribbon and select Team Assignment from the drop-down menu. Where it indicates Enter Question text, type Select a Team. In the lettered list, name the teams in your competition. This slide should be the first slide to start the competition and will be used by Turning Point to segregate the clickers into the individual teams. When this slide comes up in the presentation, stop and have the students use their clickers to select the correct team. Then add your question slides after the team assignment slide. It will now be important to add a point value to each question slide. Let's explain how the point values work in the competition. Let's say you give a question slide a point value of 10 and there are 5 students on each team. For a team to get the full value of 10 points, all 5 of the participants must get the correct answer. If 3 get it correct and 2 do not, then the team score for the question will be 6. The total value of the question score is divided amongst the number of members on each team. You want your students to remain engaged, so every few slides you need a way to let each team know how they're doing in the competition. This is done with the Team Leaderboard slide. How to add a Team Leaderboard slide. Insert your cursor between 2 slides in the left-hand slide navigation pane in PowerPoint Polling. Select the Compete button and from the drop-down menu select Team Leaderboard. A text box will appear with points and team text on it. Do not alter this text box. You can resize it and move it on the page where you want it. Add a header to the page called Team Scores so that students will understand these are the current team scores. The name of the team will automatically be indicated under the team list and the point value for the team under the points column. You don't need to do anything. Turning Point will do the calculations automatically. Teams can wager their points on a single question. This can be used anywhere in the competition slides, but may be most appropriate at the last question of the competition. Here's an example of how that would work. The students have been competing on questions and periodically a leaderboard slide indicates how each team is doing. Just before the last question, you insert a leaderboard slide so each team knows its score. Then insert a wager slide after the leaderboard. The way the wager works is each team member wagers their current points. Now you could just let the team captain for each team wager so that only one wager is recognized from each team, but all can wager their scores if everyone is allowed to respond. How to insert a wager. Insert a team leaderboard slide before the question. Select Compete, Wager. The wager slide is fully automated. All you do is insert the slide. It will read each clicker response and automatically calculate the percentage after the competition question. Insert the question they will wager their points on. Insert a team leaderboard slide after the final competition question so everyone will see the team results after the wager and final question.